Flamingos, welcome to Nailchemy. My name's Lisa Graves and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some super cute 3D pumpkin nails. Hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so for these I am using my Blossom Core acrylic powder and I'm also using my medium speed monomer and of course my ever so trusty Nailchemy A8 acrylic brush. So I've already prepped my nails, I've done my cuticle work. Max, put the ball down. Stop squeaking the ball. Stop it. I've done all my cuticle work. Oh my god. And as you can see, there are some reminiscence of the last couple of designs that we've got on there, but it's not a problem because it's all going to be covered up. So I've done my cuticle work, I've done all my prep work, I've wiped over with my nail plate cleanser, and now I'm going to come in with my Ultra Bond. So I only need to pop this on the natural nail. I'm going to pop that around there. And most of this nail is just going to be plain. Max, stop baby, stop. You're so noisy. I'm just going to be pretty much doing a plain core acrylic nail. And we'll do the design on top of this. So it's up to you if you want to work in 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, however many beads you want to work in, that's absolutely fine. I tend to work in either 2 or 3 beads depending on the size of the nail. Let me zoom in a bit on this, there we go. I think I actually own the world's noisiest dogs. Don't I?
No, they're fine. It might have something to do with the fact that I'm hiding the squeaky ball. I'm about to get a nose in the foof.
Right, so I'm just going to pull this product down the nail and take off any excess, like so. Make scully down, baby. So mardy. So my second bead is going to come into the middle of the nail bed. Make sure you... Max!
I'm going to have to get it back because he's not going to leave us alone.
Make sure you travel that product sidewall to sidewall.
No squeaking. Stop squeaking, I'll take it back. Okay.
Dave, H, anybody else watching, I apologise for the squeaky balls and the mardy sulky dog. He's a bit of an... loves the attention.
Right, I'm trying to ignore them as much as possible.
Stressing me out, boys. They're never this noisy, are they?
No, it's that bloody ball. Whoever bought it needs shooting.
I don't know where that ball came from, to be honest. Right, so my third bead is going to come in at my cuticle. So really important that we keep the nail tilted down. So place the bead quite close to the cuticle and then we can tap this into place all the way around and coming down the side walls. And so long as you keep that nail tilted down, the rest of the bead will start forming exactly where you need it to be. And then we can just feather that into place. So you actually work with your cuticle bead a lot less than you do any other bead. Just checking my side profile, I've got a little bit of a dip here. So I'm just going to come back and add another little bead. So I'm going to pop it on upside down, feather that up and then work the bead down the nail. Boys, hey, hey, stop. like so. Right, so I'm going to repeat the same on this second finger and let them both dry. Okay, so acrylic has dried, I've filed it up, and then I've popped some of the matte top coat on, and that has cured. And now we're going to come in with 3D. So you can use a small 3D brush if you want, but because I'm doing quite a large pumpkin, I am going to be using my A8 acrylic brush. It's always a bit of a mouthful, that. So I'm going to pick up a decent sized bead. And I want my pumpkin around about here. So I'm just going to keep that kind of dome shape along the top. And I'm going to pat this product into place. And I want to keep it solid. But obviously I don't want it really, really thick at the end of the nail. So I'm just going to feather that out towards the end like that. And then I'm just going to pat this about. Really sharpen up the top of it, and then before that sets, just with the tip of my brush, I'm going to push in here and round that off a little bit. Just like that. So that's going to be the top of our pumpkin. We just want a little divot in it. There we go. Okay, right, so I'm going to give that a couple of seconds just to set. And then we're going to be using some of the Artisan 4D sculpting gel. That's why I need that in black. One sec. Okay, right, we need like the smallest amount, teeny amount, and I'm just going to pop that up top like that. So this is going to be, I assume it's the stalk of a pumpkin. It is a stalk, yeah? I'm not being silly. And I'm using this brush for this, and just in a very, very small amount of isopropyl alcohol, I can use that to move this about. So I want it quite thick where it connects to the pumpkin. And then I'm going to stretch it up and out. And just play around with it until I'm happy with how it looks. I want a bit of a curve to it. Well, that looks alright, doesn't it? That looks good. Right, that does need curing, but before I pop it in the lamp, I may as well add my other detail, and just be careful that you don't knock it. So using, where is it? I'm going to use the tack-free black artisan paint. Again, just a small blob on the back of my nail, and coming in again with my 8mm liner. I'm just going to, dirty brush. Just get a small amount on your brush, and I'm going to create curves on this pumpkin. So coming from the centre, I'm not going to draw a line straight down, but imagine a line straight down. So either side of that, we need to curve out like this. So curve out that way on this side, and curve out the other way on the other side. And then keep going with those curves. And then if you want to as well, you can do one right on the very edge. And that will just make it pop a little bit. So I'm going to tuck that right in between where the acrylic and the acrylic meet. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, when you're happy, that can now go into the lamp for a full cure. Okay, right, so I've repeated those pumpkins on this now, but I've done 2 on this one. And again, using the tack-free artisan paints, I'm just going to add a few more details onto this nail. So I'm using my 8mm liner for this, and I'm just going to kind of freeball it, I think, and just add some swirly gigs, I believe H calls them. Couple of bloody off camera again. I want to make this one look a bit like a leaf that's coming off it. Let's connect that a little bit better. Go, and then along here, I think. I just go really quiet when I'm doing this. My concentration face on. What do I think?
I like them.
I think I need a little something down here. Happy stuff. Right, whack that in for a cure. You know.
Why are you getting stressed?
I don't know.
Is it?
Maybe it's all the stress.
Because
I'm not in my new studio. This is what it is.
I was going to say, it's not that time at the moment.
No, it isn't, Sam. No.
No, obviously being
I just want to be in my new studio and have
I want you to be in there. I want to do all the fucking...
No, I like them.
I like them.
Okay, right. So let's pop some...
do you know what would look really good?
On these. What?
On that one. You know, green crystals.
No.
No?
No. No.
Are we just keeping that my finger?
Can you stop swearing, please, Sam?
Oh, are you still
yes.
Recording? Sorry. I didn't realise
yes.
we were still recording.
Giving more editing for Dave and H. Poor Dave and H. They're going to email me and be like, that model, again. Can you sack her off, please? There we go, 3D pumpkins. I like them. Cool. So there we go, guys. They were our 3D pumpkins. Make sure you check out the other video, which will show you how to do the French smiles with the drop shadows. Give us a thumbs up, a little like, drop any comments that you've got down below, and hit that subscribe button for us, please, guys. And if you're feeling extra kind today, give this video a little share. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.